Hemopoiesis. Huh? We talk about hemopoiesis. We talk about hemopoiesis. Are you there?
Isn't on the video.
So who can tell me what? Are you there? Yes. Are you there? Yes. So among these tissues, blood falls in the category of what? Connective tissue. I can say that blood is a connective tissue in fluid form. True or false? Are you there? It is a connective tissue in what? In fluid what? Form. Now we can also say that blood is a fluid of life. Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Blood is what?
A fluid of life.
Is a fluid of life. Why do we call blood a fluid of life? What's wrong with your mind?
I don't know how to go and pause.
Why do we call blood? Why do we call blood a fluid of the dead? The dead. Okay, no worry. Why do we call blood a fluid of life? We call it a fluid of life because it contains nutritive substances. Are you there? It carries what? Nutritive what? Substances. Substances like glucose, substances like amino acid, and all that, right? To the various tissues of the body. Are you hearing me? Are you there? We say that blood is the fluid of life because it contains nutritive what? Substances. Are you there? Substances that are capable of nourishing the various tissues of the what? Of the body. We can as well say that blood is a fluid of growth. Are you there? Blood is a fluid of what? Of growth. Why? Because it also contains not only the nutritive substances, it also contains hormones, right? Hormones that are implicated in the growth of the various tissues of the body. A good example is what? The growth hormone. Are you there? Growth hormone is carried via what? Blood. In various what? Tissues in the what? Body. Are you there? We can as well say that blood is a fluid of health. Blood is a fluid of health. Why do we call blood a fluid of health? We say that blood is a fluid of health because it is implicated in the defense of the body. Are you there? It is called the fluid of health because it is involved, it has an involvement with what? With what? The defense of the body. Because blood has a lot of, it has white blood cells, right?
Yes.
And white blood cells are implicated in the protection of the body against what? Pathogenic what? Organisms. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you there? Are you there? Yes. So it's a fluid of what? Health. It is also a fluid of health because blood can get rid of unwanted what? Material or metabolic waste. Right? It can get rid of what? Unwanted materials or metabolic what? Waste that are found in the body. So you can see that blood is very important. Are you there? Are you there? So now let's look at the properties of blood. Are you there? Let's look at what?
The
The
properties.
properties of what? Blood. The first thing we will talk about is the color of blood. Are you there? Children is about 450 what? Meal for children. For children, it is about 450 what? Meal. Are you there? But for adults, it is what? 5 liters. Children, it is 450 what? Meal. So as a child progresses in age, right? By the time the child gets to puberty, the volume of blood increases to what? 5 liters. Then there is a difference between the volume in male and the volume in females. Are you there? There's a difference between the volume in male and the volume in what? Female. Right? For male, it is 5 liters. For female, it is 4.5 what? Liters. Are you there? Are you there? And you know the reason. You know the reason. You don't know the reason? The reason is because of what? Your monthly what? Flow.
Yeah.
Are you there? Hmm? Now, the next thing is the pH of blood. The next thing is what? Blood is alkaline in what?
Nature.
In nature. And the pH of blood is 7.4. What did I say?
The pH of blood
The
is
pH
7.
of blood is 7.4. Blood is alkaline in nature. Anything that goes beyond that, that goes below that, is going towards acidosis. I think we talked about it in the last
Yes.
class. Anything that goes beyond that is going towards what? Acidosis. And it is not good to the body. It is inimical to the what? Body. Anything that goes above that is going towards alkalosis. Is it not so?
Yes.
So, but the normal pH of blood is what? 7.5. Though it is alkaline, right? But then it is 7.5.
Okay, 5.
The next thing we shall talk about, sorry, 7.4. The next thing we shall 7.4. The next thing we shall talk about is the specific gravity of blood. Are you there? The specific what? Gravity of blood. The specific gravity of total blood. Are you there? The specific gravity of total blood is 0.52. Are you there? It is 0.52 to 0.61. That's the specific gravity of total blood. The specific gravity of blood cell is between 0.92 to 0.101. Are you there? Sorry, 1.101. Are you there?
Please recap the specific gravity.
The specific gravity of total blood is what? 0.5 what? 0.6 to 0. What? 61. Are you there? What did you say? 1.4.
No.
The specific gravity of red blood cell, of blood cell is what? 0.92, right? To 1.101. Are you there? 1.1 what? 01. Then the specific gravity of plasma. The specific gravity of plasma is 0.22. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
0.22 to 0.26. Are you there? It is 0.22 to 0.26. The next thing we shall talk about is the viscosity of blood. The next thing we shall talk about is what? The viscosity of blood. Are you there? The viscosity of blood, blood is 5 times more viscous than water. Are you there? Blood is how many times more viscous than water?
5 times.
Blood is 5 times more viscous than what? Water. Are you there? And there are some certain things that increases the viscosity of blood, such as what? Who can tell me? Plasma proteins. Are you there? Are you there?
Yes.
Plasma what? Proteins. Increases what? The viscosity of what? Blood. And it also helps to maintain, right? Blood pressure. It helps to maintain what? Blood pressure. Are you there? All right. So the next thing we shall talk about is the composition of blood. The composition of what?
Blood.
Of blood. Blood is composed, right? Blood consists of formed elements and what?
Conformed.
And what?
Conformed.
And plasma. Are you there? Blood consists of formed elements and what? And plasma. Are you there? Yes. So when we talk about the formed elements of blood, we are talking about what? We are talking about the blood cells. Are you there? Are you there? And how many of them do we have?
3.
We have 3 of them. The first one is the red blood cell, which is known as what? Erythrocytes. The second one is what?
White blood cell.
The white blood cell, which is known as leukocytes. The third one is what? The platelets, which is called what? Thrombocytes. If you don't call it thrombocytes, you also call it what? Megakaryocytes. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
I should spell. I should spell.
G-E-K.
My friend said I should write on the end. So I will write on the end. Huh? I will write on the end.
Okay, I will like copy.
Megakaryocytes. So let me write on the end. M-E-G-A-K-A-R-O-Y-O-T-E. Yes. T-E. Megakaryocytes. Sorry. M-E, right? G-A-K-A-R-O-Y-O, right? C-I-T-E. C-I-T-E. Megakaryocytes. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Did you get it? So the form elements are what? 3. They are what? Red blood cell, which is known as what? Erythrocytes. White blood cell, which is known as what? Leukocytes. And what? Platelets, which is known as what?
Thrombocytes
or what?
Megakaryocytes.
What? Cytes. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
There is what we call hematocrits. Right?
Yes, sir.
There is what we call what?
Yes.
Hematocrits. So when we talk about hematocrit, what are we talking about? We are talking about the volume of red blood cell, right? Are you there? We are talking about the percentage of red blood cell that is expressed in volume. Are you there? Are you there? When we talk about hematocrit, we are talking about the percentage, the volume of red blood cell that is expressed in what? In percentage. When you put blood, when you collect blood in a hematocrit tube, right? When you collect blood in a hematocrit what? Tube. And then you put it in what? In a centrifuge and spin it. Are you there? If you spin it for 30 minutes, right? At a revolution of 3,000 revolution per what? Minute. What will happen? The blood cells will what? Settle down. And plasma will what? Will be suspended. Are you there? Plasma will be what? Suspended. The blood cells will what? Settle down. Two of us. Are you there? And then in between plasma and the red blood cells, right? There is a thin layer of white coffee cut. Are you there? There's a thin layer of what? White coffee what? Coat. Are you there? Right. Now, the percentage of plasma is 55%. Are you there? The percentage of plasma is what? 55 what? Percent. The percentage of red blood cell is what? 45%. And that is the packed cell what? Volume. Are you there? Or we call it the hematocrit what? Value. Right? Then the percentage of that white coffee coat is 1%. And that 1% consists of what? Who can tell me? It consists of what? Leukocytes. Are you there? It consists of what? It consists of what? The leukocytes. Right? 55% is plasma. Right? 1% is what? The leukocyte, which is the thin layer of white what? Coffee coat. And then 45% is what? 45% is what? Red blood cell. And that 45% is what is referred to as what? Your hematocrit what value. If you don't call it the hematocrit value, what do you call it? You call it the packed cell what? Volume. Go to my channel, you see the video of packed cell volume. Now watch the video. Are you hearing me? Now watch the
We check this one.
Are you there? All right, so now let's talk about plasma. When we talk about plasma, we're talking about a straw-colored liquid, right? A yellowish, or we can call it a straw-colored what? Liquid that has two compositions. In fact, three compositions. The first one, it consists of solid. The second is that it consists of what?
Inorganic.
Liquid. And then it consists of what?
Gases.
Gases. Are you there? The percentage of liquid is 92 to 93%. The percentage of solid is 8 to 9%. Right?
Yes.
The percentage of gases is negligible. Are you there?
Yes.
Are you there? The percentage of what? Liquid is 92 to 93%. The percentage of solid is 8 to 9%. And of course, the percentage of gases is negligible. Are you there? Are you there? All right. So now let's talk about the percentage of what? The percentage of solid. Are you there? The solid consists of organic and inorganic what? Substances. Are you there?
Yes.
Now, when we talk about the inorganic substances, we are talking about substances like what? Your electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium, right? Chloride, sulfates, and the rest of them. All the electrolytes that you know that are present in your blood are the inorganic what? Substances. When we talk about the organic substances, the first thing we'll mention is what? Is what? Who can tell me? Who can tell me?
Protein.
Your proteins. Are you there?
Yes.
Your proteins. And when we talk about proteins, we are talking about what? The plasma proteins. And what are the plasma proteins? They are what? They are serum albumin, serum what? Globulin, and fibrinogen. We don't call it serum what? Fibrinogen. But we call the other one serum what? Albumin, serum what? Globulin, and then we have what? Fibrinogen. The next one is carbohydrates. Are you there? Yes. The next one is what? Carbohydrates. Of course, you know that your carbohydrates consist of what? Glucose.
Yes.
The next one is called what?
Fat, lipid.
Lipid. Are you there?
Yes.
Your lipids are what? Your triglycerides, cholesterol, and phospholipids. Right? Follow me now.
Follow me
Don't worry,
YouTube
after now, you listen to the
video.
watch the. So don't draw us back. Eh? Are you there? It also has hormones. Are you there?
Yes.
It consists of what? Hormones. It consists of enzymes as well. Are you there? It also consists of what? Enzymes. Enzymes like what? Like your lipase, right? Your carbonic anhydrase is also there. Your acid phosphatase is there. Your alkaline phosphatase is there. Your esterase is there. Are you there? Okay, please. I think we shall meet some other time. HOD wants to have a class with you. Huh? All right.